This is your crash course on Modular Mates, a little 101. They come in 4 shapes. So there's the square, the oval, our super oval, and then the rectangle. And most of the time, most pantries and cupboard depths are gonna be right here, the rectangle and the super oval. So we hang out here most of the time. And these ones are good for boats, RVs, and very shallow cupboards. So sometimes these come in handy, but most of the time we're right in these ones. And they also come in different sizes. So it's kind of like A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y, like the vowels, but it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and sometimes 5. So the rectangle and the squares only come 1 through 4, and then the ovals and the super ovals come 1 through 5. And you just stack them up kind of like Legos. So like this one is a 1, this one is a 2, and if you have, right here you could have 2 rectangles that stacked right next to each other, so it just keeps it all even and nice and stacked and beautiful. And then also right next to each other, so if we have this one is a rectangle 3, a rectangle 2, you stack it right next to a super oval 5, everything is still the same height. So also with the ovals and the squares and the super ovals and the rectangles, you can stack them on top of each other. So depending on how your pantry's looking and how big the cupboards and the depths and everything is, you can stack 2 of these right on top of 1 of these. So it is very handy to have just all next to each other, and you can just line them all up. And I can help with figuring out what sizes you need for different amounts that you buy, so it makes it very personalized to what you need for your pantry. But that is just a quick basics on how the Modular Mate system all works and stacks up.